Guys, what's up? It's TechyWiki here, back with another video. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to host your bot on REPL.IT 24/7. So what you want to do, you want to go to REPL.IT. Okay. Okay. So once you've gone there, you want to create a new REPL. You want to put it in Python, obviously, and then you want to name it whatever your bot's called. So mine is called YouTube Test Bot. So I'll just name it that. Okay, now it's gonna take you to the REPL. So you have this main.py. You want to create a new file called .env. You want to create a new file called keep_alive.py. Okay, so now you want to go to main.py. Go to your text editor, copy it, and then paste it. And then now what you want to do on the top where it says import Discord, import async IO, you want to go import OS, import keep_alive. Okay, so now what you want to do is you want to go into your actually you want to go down, you want to get your token. You want to copy that. Now you want to go to your .env file. You want to do Discord_bot_secret. And then don't put any spaces or anything, just put an equal sign. And don't make this into a string. Just paste your what's it called, your token. Okay, so now at the top you want to do token equals os.environ.get, and then I just realized it's all caps. Token equals not Discord, os.environ.get, and then in here you want to type Discord_bot_secret. Okay, so now that you've done that, what you want to do, you want to obviously make the client.run. You want to put the token in here. Token. So basically what this does, it basically hides the file and it hides the token from anybody. Like if one of your friends is visiting the REPL and you don't want them to see the token, it will hide the .env file from them unless you click share. But if you giving it to somebody that you don't really trust, just copy this link and then give it to them, because they can't see anything. They can just see your code. So now what you want to do is in your keep_alive.py file. This is basically the file that keeps your bot running 24/7. What you want to do is you want to do from Flask import Flask. Then from threading import, I didn't put a space. From threading import thread. Now you want to do a new line. You want to do app equals Flask, and then parentheses and put a string. And then that's it. Don't put anything inside the string, no space. Now, in the next line, you do app.route, and then do parentheses in that string, and then do / def main, and then put parentheses, return, and then put a space. Your bot is running. I just realized it's caps, but whatever. So and then new line, get out of that program, get out of that command. So now what we're gonna do def run, and then parentheses app dot run, cannot spell, host equals, and then put a string 0.0.0.0. It's basically like the default. And then what you want to do, port equals 8080, which is basically like the default for what's it called, the default for Python. And then after that, go into a new function, def keep underscore alive, parentheses, server equals thread, target equals target equals run, and then server dot start, parentheses. Okay, that's it for this file. Embarrassing. Okay, now what you want to do is you want to go back to main.py, and then above here, above client run token, you want to do keep underscore alive dot keep underscore alive, and then parentheses. Now you want to run it, and then now what it's gonna do, it's just gonna add like Discord. It's gonna add discord.py. It's gonna add asyncio. It's gonna add OS. It's basically just gonna add whatever you want, or whatever like things you have imported. Take some time to download. Okay, it says your bot is running. So what you want to do is you want to get this link, youtube-test.bot. You want to copy this link. Now you want to go to this website, Uptime Robot. It'll be in the description tool. So okay, now once you're in your Uptime, you'll need to like verify your email and stuff. You want to click on add new monitor, and then monitor type, click on HTTPS, friendly name, YouTube test bot, and then the URL or IP, just paste the link that you got from over here. And then make monitoring interval every around 30 minutes. And then click on this box so it will like say when your bot is up and when your bot is not, like when your bot's down. Okay, so now what you want here, you want to stop and then want to run it again. Okay, it should come anytime. It just takes a bit of time to actually pop up. So if you go into Discord, like even though, let me close this. Even though Visual Studio is closed, my bot is still online. And then it will respond. So dot ping, usually like it was 100, around 100. Now it's just 59 seconds. Yeah, that's it for this video. If you guys enjoyed, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more Discord.py tutorials. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one.